What's up everyone? I just wanted to make a quick recap video of the two trades that I made today while they are fresh in my mind. So I already have my trading screen pulled up over here, and let me just go ahead and open them up. One was, they were both support line bounces, but one was the price ran against me very quickly and I luckily got out. This could have easily been a $1,000 plus loss if I didn't get out. And then I had a relatively nice support line bounce trade right around here, or for this one. So let's talk about each one while they're fresh in my mind. I'm going to be talking about them again on Monday actually, but yeah, I thought it was a very relevant video to make today. Plus these trades, I've been doing a lot of support line bounces lately, so it also sums up a lot of my last day trades. Also, if you ever want to review any of these on your own time, just go over to crypto.enzo.com and you can get access to all this stuff. Actually, on the homepage, you can see all of my latest activities. If you ever want to know, what's going on, everything is posted right here. Everything is also posted in the Discord private trading chat room, which you get access to if you are a student of the course, or if you are subscribed to all the latest information on this site. And if you are interested in doing that, it's just $27 a month. You get the watch list, the pre-trade alerts. I post about everything that I do before, during, and after in the chat room. You get access to the just a bunch of other stuff. I talk about it all the time, so I won't dive into it too much in this video. So let's dive into the good stuff. Let's talk about the trades. So the trades, the first one was, it was a pretty scary little situation here. I love these double support line bounces and waiting for a confirmation of a reversal, and that's exactly what I did here on this first trade. You can see this is everything that I post in the trading chat room. So these are the little leftover comments. So I had many partial entries on this trade, and it was really nice because I didn't chase in any of this. I filled up more of my position right around here, and I was really hoping we would break to the upside here, but it never ended up happening. And that is when I sold half of my position here, and then the other half of position as we kept on going lower. It was really hard to get out right here. I could have done a market order, but yeah, that's also, you're paying high fees, so I don't really want to do that. Overall, what I was looking for here was a bounce, and then I would have sold somewhere probably in the 103 area, take a nice little bounce trade, but that didn't really work. Also, to get a little further way perspective on this trade, let's see if it loads properly. This is a longer term support line, so we had a lot of support actually a few months ago. So this is a very big monthly support and resistance zone. So you can see we broke out of this zone. We had a breakout bounce right here. You can see a little candlestick, and then we held it again here, and I was looking for kind of a second confirmation bounce right here and back to the upside. We did not get that, and we broke really heavily. So I was really happy I was able to get out of this trade. Yeah, and I basically walked away with a relatively small percentage loss, 1.24%. It was just a huge position size, or I would say relatively bigger than my average position size, which is about $8,678. This is my average position size calculated over 88 day trades. And yeah, so you could also see the average loss percentage wise is relatively okay, but the P&L dollar amount was relatively bigger. Also, just look at the fees alone. We're paying $28.87 on the fees, so that's relatively high. What I probably should have done was get out a bit sooner when we cracked this support again. I kind of did. I got out half of my position right away. I instantly knew, okay, this is looking a little sketchy. There was a little downpour here. We're just cracking all, I would say, support. There was zero volume, so that should have been an indicator. I probably waited a little bit too long, but ultimately I'm really happy I did get out of this trade. And then I was able to find another really nice trading opportunity right afterwards. And again, this was a support line bounce again. By the way, guys, if you want to see all of my support line bounces, all you have to do is come down here to click on this tag, and then you can see everything that I always talk about support line bounces. You'll learn about my ideal entries, my ideal exits, and you can see all of my past support line bounces. Okay, cool. So let's talk about this one a little bit. So we are zooming in again on this chart. This is the last trade 88, and this is trade 89. So we had we were coming down here, and we are getting close to this big support zone at $91. And we came down here, I made an entry. I could have done maybe a bit better on my entry. Originally I thought I had a really nice, bounce entry right here, and I thought we were going to run up very heavily, but we had a second dip. I oftentimes say your first entry is never the best. At least that's the case for me. So don't ever chase, really don't chase, because if I chased this, I would have had an entry down here, and I probably would have maybe even got out of the trade here and took another $200 loss. Remember, we're day trading, we're not swing trading, we're not investing. This is very quick day trading. So you always want to cut your profits quickly, or cut your losses quickly, and take your profits quickly. In a little bit, I'll show you actually my longer term chart of all my day trades compared to my swing trading and whatnot. But with day trading, you want to be quick, and you also don't want to get greedy. So it would have probably been good if I did maybe a partial entry here and then another partial entry here. These were partial entries, but what I should have done is maybe waited for a second dip down below. My exit though was relatively nice. I really liked it. We did have let me actually just go over to the big chart. So here you can see this is the 5-minute chart in real time on TradingView, and this is my entry and exit on trade 89. So you can see in the short term it was really nice, and then I went offline. This would have been a phenomenal kind of I would say maybe rough double bottom, but as you see here, this big green candle, this engulfing green candle, it's a fairly bullish indicator, and then we're holding our highs. Any time in this area would have been a phenomenal entry for a second run to the upside. We have two big dips, and then we have a big support confirmation, very bullish indicator. I don't know, I was offline, so I missed this, but yeah, this could have been a really nice run to the upside. I mean, it was well, I think it was even over 10%. Let me quickly check. Yeah, over 10% run to the upside. Obviously, my day trading, I typically take profits around 2 to 3%, sometimes even earlier. So I probably would have, sold into this resistance area right when we kind of didn't break out of here, because you don't know if we're going to touch, and then retrace. We did break out of it again. I definitely would have not held into this, but this could have been, an easy 2-3% profit again. Yeah, if I just wanted to day trade all day, yeah, there's definitely good money to be made. Let me, for the last thing, actually right now I'm looking for another entry right around here at this 91 to 90 support zone. And let me zoom out a little bit to maybe the 1 hour to show you guys why this is a support zone. So right around here, we had a lot of, I would say, resistance. I could probably even pull it back a bit further. But we had a lot of short-term. If you maybe zoom into the 15, you'll see a lot of tops right around this area. And then again, when the support came in here and held, and we broke out of this zone, you can see here multiple touches from this support zone. And that's why I kind of had these lines stretched out, and that's why this was a support line bounce. So one last thing for this video, I don't want to make it too long. We are already at 8 minutes. Is let me just kind of show you guys. What did I want to show you guys? Do I remember now? I think I forgot. CPU weekly. Yeah, so this is the weekly overview so far. So my day trading, again, they're just, constant, I would say between 100 and this is a bit bigger than usual, but typically, $100 to $300. An ideal day is just, a quick $200 profit. So I would say yesterday was really nice. Today was 2 trades, right? $208 negative, and then plus $336 positive. Oops, what did I just do? Ending the day with $127 profit. Nothing too crazy, but I'll never complain about a green day ever. So yeah, the day trading for the week is up $1,000. And then my swing tradings, I closed a swing trade. I closed an ADA Cardano swing trade on Monday. That netted me $600 profit. That was a really nice trade. So right now I'm up $1,671. It would be really cool to hit $2,000 by the end of the week, but tomorrow I'm going to be traveling and I'm going to be away all weekend. So there is no reason to try to, force a trade right tonight or force a trade tomorrow and try to hit $2,000, because you could just as easily lose money as you can making money. So you got to let a good trade come to you, wait for a nice opportunity, and then capitalize on that opportunity. So I'm definitely not going to be rushing into anything. If I see a nice opportunity, great. But I'll be taking profits at 2%, 3%, whatever kind of the trade is reading. So I'm not going to try to just make $329 by tomorrow just to hit a $2,000 limit. It would be cool, but I'm going to have a $2,000 week eventually anyway, so I really am not stressed about it whatsoever. Yeah, and then here's my little long-term chart. This is starting at 2019. There is about another half a year documented in 2018. I'll be adding that to the new trade journal site as it gets built out, because right now it's under construction. It's pretty cool. So you can see my day trading and swing trading are just about even right now. They're almost perfectly even, which is kind of weird. But my swing trading, you can get all the statistics right here, or this is where it pulls the statistics from. Total profit 4,520, and I have yet to lose a swing trade, but that doesn't mean I won't lose the next swing trade. It's nice to have a little bit of confidence in your trading, but you never want to be overconfident. You never want to hold a bag. So if the next trade goes wrong, I have no problem with cutting that trade right away. And then with my day trading, my winning ratio right now is about 61.36%, and my average win is just 1.66%, and with $142. This number is a little lower than what you might expect here, because my average position size started off a lot smaller. I started at $5,000, then I built my account up to 10. Now it's getting closer, it's above $20,000, but I only typically enter day trades with about $10,000, and I want to start doing an average of around $15,000 for my day trading. So that's kind of how that works. Is there anything else I want to talk about in this video? I don't really believe so. Again, guys, if you are curious about learning more about my trading, just head over to crypto.enzo.com and you can learn all about it. Also, if you are already a student and you are not in the Discord private trading chat room, definitely check that out. We just had another testimonial come in. I'll share that next week on Monday. So we have students starting to complete the course. The course launched when was that? In May, end of May, and we're just getting some really nice feedback coming in from the first students completing the course. So that's really nice. Yeah, so that kind of wraps up the trading day for the 16th of May. I was about to say March, but no, we're in May. So I hope you guys found some value in that, and I will most likely see you Monday. I might have a video coming out tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, I will see you after my trip. Till next time then. Ciao, ciao.